So, hi everyone. Thank you for joining me here for another video. I am so happy you're here and we're going to go ahead and get started. So, first, I am going to show you the video from the results of the dry painting from my previous video. I love how it turned out. I love the colors and here it is. And like I mentioned, it was a 14 by 14 inch swipe and look how gorgeous it turned out. Tell me what you guys think about this. Look at this. You can see the details. Like I said, you see that my cells did not shift so much this time around. I was a little more controlled in my tilting. And I love that the colors did fan out this time around. So you can see more of the colors that I laid down before I swiped. What do you guys think? Tell me, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. And we are going to go ahead and get started. We'll see what we're going to be working on today. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, guys, here we are. And this one is going to be an interesting color palette. We'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to tell you, this is some leftover paint I had from a previous video. Look at the beautiful colors. I don't remember what I mixed this with. So I'm going to go ahead, flood my canvas. We are working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to go ahead and flood the canvas and I'll be right back. I am gonna pull something out. I see right here. There's not the canvas. Okay. So now, I did say it was an interesting color palette. I'm gonna move my canvas back into frame. There. Okay. So I'm gonna tell you what these colors are, and we're just gonna play here, and see what happens. So my first color is Oxide Black by Amsterdam. I'm going to be very light using the black only because I don't want the black to take over the painting. So, and I want to see, what am I going to do here? Okay, so I am going to do kind of this shape. All right. Next color I have is Greyish Blue by Amsterdam. And like I said, this is an interesting color palette. I don't know how this is going to look, but I did want to try this color combination because I kind of picked it off the shelf and I thought I want to try this and see. Why not, right? So next color I have is Pearl Copper Gold by Arteza. Okay. So far, it looks pretty good, I would say. Next color I have is 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. And I apologize, that's me shaking my bottle. Okay. Next, I am using this color pop, Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. I am going to add a little more of the copper on the top. And just like some spots of black. So not a lot, Just some spots of black. Don't want anything else. I'll do some spots of the grayish blue as well. It's like a hint of it. Okay. Are we done here? Yes. Okay. So that's it. Let's move that aside. Let me pop my bubbles. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to begin. Let's see. Anything else I want to add in there? No, I think we're good. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I am using my flower hair dryer. We're setting it to low, and we're going to take our time with the blowout, okay? Here we go. Wow, what a beautiful reaction. I love the colors, first of all. I am super happy with this color palette. This is amazing. I love it. Now, as you know, and I've been doing this on a couple of my videos, I do want to continue that color line. So I'm going to use this stick here, and I'm just going to bring in some of this color as if it was drawn in, just to continue that line. What a beauty. I'm gonna move this out of the way only because I want to get to this part in here. I just want to blow in. See how I got those colors out? And then with the palette, the brush, I can just kind of like wave them in. Just like that. Beautiful. I'm going to blow in here. Just like that. Gorgeous. Let's soften it a little bit. I absolutely love it. I don't think there's anything I want to do here. I'm going to torch it a little bit. I lied. I'm going to torch it just a little bit. Okay, guys, I am going to clean my edges and I'll bring you in for a close-up. I'll be right back. So here it is. And look how gorgeous that color combination is. A killer. Tell me that you agree with me. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous. I am so happy. It's like, it's just amazing. It's beautiful, gorgeous. I love it. So let's go in for a close-up. Look at the gigantic cells. The pop of that blue. You see how, oh, to die for. I love it. Look at the gigantic cells here at the edge of this petal, how they just developed. And then look how gorgeous the lacing, the webbing is. I love that I added the little hints of black there. It's just gorgeous. Look how those colors work together. It's beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. I'm so super excited with this one. Look at the blanket of the 24 karat gold, just giving it that spark right in there. And I love this blue. Check this out. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. It just enhances the painting. Look how beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'm super happy with this piece. It is available for purchase if you're interested. Visit me on my website, fluidartsbyelsa.com, or email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. Thank you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.